Hey there! I was a dent. You know, one of those annoying little imperfections on your car? But thanks to PDR, I'm not anymore. Let me take you on a little journey through the magical world of paintless dent repair. Back in the day, fixing us dents was a real pain. Lots of grinding, filling, and repainting. But then, in the early 1990s, everything changed. PDR came onto the scene. Insurance companies and car owners alike were amazed. No more repainting, no more fillers. Just skilled technicians using special tools to gently massage us away. It's like magic, really. One minute I'm there, the next, poof, gone without a trace. And the best part? It saves time and money while keeping that factory finish intact. Now, if you're in San Angelo, Texas, and you've got some pesky dents like I used to be, you've got to check out Angelo Dent Removal. These folks are the real deal. With over 3 decades of hands-on experience, these guys are true PDR experts. They've seen it all and fixed it all. Hail damage, door dings, minor dents, no problem for these PDR wizards. They've mastered the art of making dents disappear from every type of vehicle imaginable. Their technique is so precise, it's like they're performing dent surgery. And let me tell you, the results are incredible. I've seen cars go from dented disasters to showroom shine. Don't just take my word for it. The smiles on customers' faces say it all. Angelo Dent Removal has built a reputation for excellence in San Angelo and beyond. Just imagine your car smooth and perfect again, like those dents were never there. So why wait? Give Angelo Dent Removal a call at 325-703-6149 or swing by 2315 Sherwood Way in San Angelo. Trust me, your car will thank you. And who knows, maybe I'll see some of my dent buddies there. From dinged to dazzling, from battered to beautiful. That's the Angelo Dent Removal magic. Your car deserves nothing less. Remember, with Angelo Dent Removal, it's another flawless repair, like it was never there.